Welcome to Current Affairs video from Quiz Point. The Indian Air Force will formally induct the Rafale fighter jets at Ambala Air Base on 10 September 2020. 5 Rafales arrived at Ambala Air Base on July 29, 2020. Rafale jets are part of Indian Air Force No. 17 Squadron, also known as Golden Arrows. Silver Lake, an American private equity firm, will invest in Reliance Retail. Rupees 7,500 crore will be invested in Reliance Retail for 1.75% equity stake. Earlier, Silver Lake invested $1.35 billion in Jio platform. India's first integrated air ambulance service is started in Karnataka. Chief Minister of Karnataka unveiled country's first integrated air ambulance service. It is capable of long-distance emergency medical transportation. Cristiano Ronaldo scores 100 international goals. He became the second man to score 100 international goals. He is the first European men's player to score 100 international goals. First man to score 100 international goal was Elidai from Iran. Digital library to preserve Sanskrit manuscript will be constructed in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand has promoted Sanskrit as a daily means of communication. Uttarakhand has also decided to develop Sanskrit Gram. World Suicide Prevention Day, 10th September. Theme for this year is Working Together to Prevent Suicide. Purpose: to raise awareness that suicide can be prevented. Doorstep banking service by public sector banks launched on 9 September 2020. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurated doorstep banking services. It is a part of ease reform. Customers will get doorstep banking service through universal touchpoint of call center, web portal or mobile app. SAFAL, a loan product to be launched by SBI. SAFAL will primarily focus on organic cotton growers. SAFAL was announced by SBI M.D. C.S SETTY is the M.D of SBI. Donald Trump nominated for Nobel Peace Prize 2021. Donald Trump nominated for Nobel Peace Prize 2021. Trump has been nominated for his role in breaking deal between Israel and UAE. Paresh Rawal becomes the new chairperson of National School of Drama. He has been appointed for a period of 4 years. The post of NSD chairman has been officially vacant since 2017. Now moving on to static GK quiz. Our first question is, Jaziya was reimposed during the reign of. Our options are Akbar, Aurangzeb, Jahangir, Humayun. Jaziya was reimposed during the reign of. And our options are Akbar, Aurangzeb, Jahangir, Humayun. And our answer is Aurangzeb. Our next question is, who is known as Lok Nayak? Who is known as Lok Nayak? And our options are Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jayaprakash Narayan, B.G. Tilak. And our options are Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jayaprakash Narayan, B.G. Tilak. And the answer is Jayaprakash Narayan, option C. Our next question is, in Shivaji's Council of Ministers, the Prime Minister was called. In Shivaji's Council of Ministers, the Prime Minister was called. And our options are a.Peshwa, Sachiv, Mantri, Sumant. a.Peshwa, Sachiv, Mantri, Sumant. And our answer is option A, Peshwa. Our next question is, who built the Khajuraho temple? Who built the Khajuraho temple? And our options are Holkars, Sindhyas, Bundela, Chandela. Holkars, Scindias, Bundela, Chandela. And our answer is option D, Chandela. Thanks for watching.